Look at this ninth question. I think you will be able to do it in homework. Let's see what is given in this question. Present situation, sales is 80 lakhs. Variable cost is 50 lakhs. Fixed cost is 10 lakhs. Credit to debtors is 20 days. And there are four plans. Plan 1, 30 days with 100 lakhs ka sales. Okay, sales is 100. And option number 2, 40 days with 120 sales. Option number 3, 50 days with 135 sales. And fourth option, 60 days with 150 lakhs sales. 1 crore 50 lakhs. Okay. So determine the credit period that should be allowed by the company. Assume returns on investment, that is opportunity cost 18%. Okay. So everything is given. I think everything is given. You just need to calculate. If you want, we can do it now only. Chalo, let's do it now only. Come on, do it. Do it. Make the columns. How many columns will you make? Come on, tell me quickly. Yes, how many? 3, 6.
Columns.
6 columns. Write down statement of evaluation of credit policy. Draw the columns. 6 columns. First would be particulars. Next would be present situation. And there will be plans. Plan 1, plan 2, plan 3, plan 4. Done. This much is done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now let's start with the practical question. Let's start with the solution part with the format. Sales. So you need to write down, sorry, first is credit period. So write down first is credit period. What is credit period in situation 1? Means present situation. Tell me, what are the number of days in present situation? Yes? Are you guys hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो बताओ क्रेडिट पीरियड क्या है प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन का? व्हाट इज द क्रेडिट पीरियड गिवन टू कस्टमर्स इन प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन?
20 days.
20 days. Very good. What is in plan 1?
30 days.
Go on writing also. Plan 2?
40 days.
40 days. Very good. Plan 3? 50 days.
50 days.
Very good. And plan 4? 60 days. Okay. Now start with sales. Start your answer with sales. What is sales in the present situation?
80 lakhs.
Very good. 80 lakhs. What is sales in plan 1?
1 crore.
1 crore. Very good. So how you guys writing? With zeros or without zeros?
And with 0.
With zero. Okay. So 80 lakhs means 80 and then 5 zeros. 100 and then 5 zeros. So it becomes 1 crore. 100 and then 5 lakh and then 5 zeros. It becomes 7 zeros. 7 zeros means 1 crore. Okay, next. Next sales is 120 lakhs. 120 lakhs means 1 crore 20 lakhs. Means after 120, You have to give 5 zeros. Lakhs means 5 zeros. 120 and then 5 zeros. That means it becomes 1 crore 20 lakhs. Next, 135. So how will you write 135? Sales of plan 3.
135 and 5 zeros.
So what will you call it as? 130.
1 crore 35 lakhs.
Very good. 1 crore 35 lakhs. It is 1 crore 35 lakhs. Okay. Next, 150. So how will you write 150? 150 and then 5 zeros. So what you will call it as?
1 crore 50 lakhs.
Yes, very good. 1 crore 50 lakhs. Okay, now come to variable cost. Write down less variable cost. In present situation, the variable cost is given. What is the variable cost of present situation?
50 lakhs.
Write down 50 and then 5 zeros. Means total 6 zeros. 5 and 6 zeros will become 50 lakhs. Okay. Now, can you see any information related to variable cost of plan 1, 2, 3, 4? Come on, tell me quickly. Do you have anything, any variable cost related to plans 1, 2, 3, 4?
No, ma'am.
No. So how will you find out? See, there are two methods. One is with the help of PV ratio, and other one is with the help of cross multiplication formula. See, very simple. 80 lakhs, when it was 80 lakhs ka sales, that time variable cost was 50 lakhs. So when sales will come to 1 crore, what variable cost will be there? Cross multiply. So see, here, just a minute. So you will make variable cost is to sales ka ratio. Okay. So your variable cost in the present situation. In the present situation, what is your variable cost? 50 lakhs. So take it as 50 lakhs. Okay. Is to sales. So what is sales in the present situation? 80 lakhs. And I don't know the variable cost now. I need to find out the variable cost when the sales will be 1 crore rupees. Because my next sales is 1 crore. My next sales is 1 crore. So while it was 80 lakhs, the variable cost reached up to 50 lakhs. But now when sales will go up to 1 crore rupees, the variable cost will also go up. So we need to find out how much will be my new variable cost. So it can be done with the help of cross multiplication formula. Is it clear as to how we need to do? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear? Okay. So now tell me, after cross multiplication, first of all, make it easy for you. Make it easy for you. Common cancellation of all the zeros. Common cancellation of all the zeros. 1 crore has 7 zeros, 80 lakhs has 6 zeros, 50 lakhs has 6 zeros. So cancel all 6 zeros. What is left here? What is left here? 5. 5 no? or common
Yes,
cancellation?
ma'am.
Yeah. 5 is to 8, or simply you can write here cross multiplication. So 1 crore into 50 lakhs. So 1 crore में से 6 zeros are common cancelled commonly. So 1 crore cancel 6 zeros and you will be left over with 10. 10 into 5 divide by 8. All common cancel after common cancellation of zeros and after cross multiplication. What will be the equation? 10 into 5 by 8. So 10 into 5 by 8 is your what will be your answer after applying this equation? Come on quickly. 10 into 5 means 50. 50 by 8 is
6.20.
Anu, your voice is cracking.
Ma'am, 6.25.
6.25. Sorry. 6.25. 6.25 what? Lakhs. Now we need to give it 5 zeros. So we need to remove this point. What to do with to remove this point? It's very simple. What to do to remove this point? 6.25 into 1 lakh. If you want to convert this into a proper figure with zeros, so into 1 lakh. If it is in thousands, so into 1000. If it is in if it is in crores, so figures in crores, so you need to just multiply it with 1 crore. If you want to leave this point 6.25 and you want to convert it into a proper number with zeros, so you just have to multiply it with number of the figures in lakhs. Suppose it is figures in lakhs, so you need to multiply it with 1 lakh rupees. So 6.25 into 1 lakh, so it will be 62 lakhs 50,000. Am I right? Do it in Calci and let me know, is the figure right? Is this figure right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So 62,000, sorry, 62 lakhs 50,000. Okay. So your answer is 62 lakhs 50,000 of next, what you can say, next plan. That is plan 1. Or if you want, you can apply a PV ratio formula also. See, present situation, PV ratio is equals to contribution upon sales. Look at the present situation only. What is contribution? 80 lakhs minus 50 lakhs will give you contribution. Sales 80 lakhs given in the question. Variable cost 50 given in the question. So 80 minus 50, 30 lakhs is my contribution. Now this 30 lakhs divided by 80 lakhs, contribution upon sales into 100, will give you PV ratio. PV ratio is 37.5 percentage. It is not in the form of percentage. We will convert this into the form of percentage, means into 100. So it will be 37.5 percentage. So now you know contribution is 37.5 percentage. All throughout the stages. Same plan 1, plan 2, plan 3, plan 4. Yes, Anu, tell me.
When we are multiplying 6.9,
Anu, your voice is
it is
cracking a lot, beta.
55,000, not 2,50,000.
अनु, मुझे आपका आवाज कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा, बहुत क्रैक हो रहा है. चैट बॉक्स में लिखो बच्चा. ओके, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. देखो 1 crore we were calculating contribution. So PV ratio is 37.5 percentage. So 37.5 percentage means contribution is 37.5 percentage of sales. Okay, so what you will do, 1 crore, plan 1 crore into 37.5 percentage, you will get contribution. And if this contribution is deducted from sales, you will get PV ratio. But I feel this method is much easy. This method is much easier. It is just a cross multiplication. And once you do for plan 1, you do not have to do it again and again. See, it is for plan 1. Now you don't have to show it again and again in the form of working note. You just have to do it in calculator. So how will you do? See, for plan 2. For plan 2, how will you do? 80 lakhs at the sales of 80 lakhs. Okay. Now Anu says, ma'am, when we are multiplying 6.25 with 1 lakh, it is 62,000, 6 lakhs 25,000. Are you sure? So you, तो यहाँ पे कुछ हम अपन ने मिस्टेक की है. 6.25 नहीं होगा, 62.5 होना चाहिए. एक काम करो, आप कॉमन कैंसिलेशन मत करो, जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वैसे सॉल्व करो. 1 करोड़ इंटू 50 लैक्स डिवाइड बाई 80 लैक्स. करो, कैलसी पे करो. हमने कॉमन कैंसिलेशन किया है ना जीरोस का, वो छोड़ो. आप पूरे जीरोस के साथ करो. 1 करोड़ इंटू 50 लैक्स डिवाइड बाई 80 लैक्स. So what is the answer? Tell me, is it 62 lakhs 50,000 now? आ रहे? Yes, tell me, come on. 1 crore into 50 lakhs डिवाइड बाय 80 lakhs. आई थिंक वो कैलसी पे होगा नहीं, है ना? स्टॉप हो जा रहा है ना कैलसी पे. 1 करोड़ इंटू 50 lakhs कर रहे हो, उसके बाद स्टॉप हो जा रहा है,
Yes,
राइट?
ma'am.
हाँ, वो बहुत बड़ी फिगर्स है ना, इसके लिए. तो अपन ने क्या मिस्टेक किया इधर? 6 zeros कॉमन कैंसिलेशन करो. 6 zeros.
Ma'am, we can use that formula of percentage.
एक मिनट रुको ना, कुछ तो है गड़बड़. Okay, now I understood. See, 100 common cancellation of 5 zeros will be done. Common cancellation of 5 zeros will be done. Why? Because the figures are in lakhs. No, here figures are in lakhs. So we need to cancel 5 zeros, not 6 zeros. See, we are converting into lakhs. No? Yes or no? Give me the answer. We are converting it into lakhs. Yes or no? If we are converting it into lakhs, so we need to cancel lakhs figure, no? Zero. How many zeros we will have to cancel? 5 zeros, because in lakhs there should be 5 zeros which are commonly cancelled out. Okay. So what we need to do? 5 common cancellation. 5 zeros, 5 zeros and 5 zeros. So what will be here? Here will be 100, here will be 50 and here will be 80. So what will be your answer? 62.5. Is it now okay? So if you convert 62.50 into lakhs, 62.50 into 1 lakh, your answer will be 62,000, 62 lakhs 50,000. Now is it correct, Anu? And everyone else? Please confirm now, is it
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
because this sum is according to lakhs. So we need to cancel out 5 zeros, 5 zeros. So after cancellation of 5 zeros, we are left with 100 into 50 divided by 80. So the answer is in the calci. Now do it in the calci. 100 into 50 divided by 80. Your answer will be 62.5. So 62.5, if we want to convert it into a proper figure of with thousands, with lakhs, so you need to convert with the help of multiplying it with 1 lakh. So 62.5 into 1 lakh means 62 lakhs 50,000. Okay. Now keep doing this cross multiplication. Keep doing. Now this is 1 crore 20 lakhs. Second plan. Second plan is 1 crore 20 lakhs. Now you have to take same sales, take same variable cost of present situation. Present situation sales is 80 lakhs. Variable cost is 50 lakhs. So what will be at 1 crore 20 lakhs? So what will you do? 5 common cancellations. 5 zeros common cancellation. You are left with 120 of sales into 50 variable cost divided by 80 sales. Do it in Calci. 120 into 50 divided by 80. So what is your answer of the variable cost for plan 2? It is just cross multiplication. Instead of 1 crore, now you will write 1 crore 20 lakhs for plan 2. See, no, this is plan 1, right? Now I will do it for plan 2. See, you don't have to do it again and again. You just have to do it in your Calci. What you need to do is plan 2. What is sales of plan 2? Everything else will be same. Variable cost is 50 lakhs, sales is 80 lakhs. This is present situation, no? Now plan 2 is 1 crore 20 lakhs. 1 crore 20 lakhs. Now you tell me after cancellation of common 5 zeros, what you are left with? Is it 120? Am I right? Come on, give me your answers quickly. Unmute karke answers do. Is it 120 correct? Come on, don't make me wait for such a small thing. Unmute karke answers do. Is it 120 into 50 divided by 80?